This is the sound that has baffled scientists for decades. In 1997, a strange noise was picked up by a hydrophone array in the Pacific Ocean off the coast of Mexico. The sound, which has been dubbed the bloop, was loud enough to be heard over 200 miles away. But despite its intensity, it's very hard to believe that anyone could have caused it. At first, researchers thought it might have been a whale, but there were no whales anywhere near the recording site. Others suggested it could be a type of ice movement, but that theory was quickly ruled out because the water temperature was far too warm. Some have speculated that the blob could be a giant gas bubble, but we still don't know exactly what it is or where it came from, and that's why